We're going to the beach now. Say hi, guys. Hi. Hi. My legs is short. Okay, guys. So we're about to go. Now let's wait for us to go. A beach. Guys, going out of the house. We're going out and we're going into the highway now. We're going around. We're at the garage because we're going to get breakfast. Okay, so we're here. So we're at the tea station. Okay, so my mom is carrying a jar. I don't want. And there's some
Bring the
juice
jar.
there. A jar. Yeah? Let's do the rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Come on again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Again. Go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Paper, scissors, shoot. What is this? Let's do some fight. Thumb fight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have a good day. I fight. I fight. Wait. Come on. Stop it. It's so stronger. We're going to the Sidra. The juice is here. Hey guys, you're there. Guys, it's closed.
Oh no!
So, the playground is closed. So we're going here to the public beach. The Pabalik beach. So we're going in.
We're in the public beach, close to Family Beach. Yung playground dito. So,